In this video, I'm going to show you how to unbox the Starlink and set it up. It comes with its own box that fits nicely inside the RV, and I want you to keep this box untouched so that it's nice and clean and don't break it. So you just open it, and it has a couple of cardboards here, a plastic cover, as you can see. We'll lift this plastic cover out. First thing here is the stand. Take it out and put aside. Then you have this small plastic piece here that you need to remember to put back so that the stand doesn't scratch anything here when you put this back in the box. Take that out, and now you have the actual satellite antenna here. And this goes obviously to the stand. And it only goes one way. It has a groove on one side, and this hole has this thing that they need to match to click on. And it clips on like that. Now we can move this antenna and put it anywhere. We have, I don't know, 30 feet of cable. You need to find a northern sky that is clear from trees or buildings. This needs to have visibility to the northern sky. Next thing that we have in the box is this router. The antenna cable goes in the bottom here, and power cable goes here. So let's find the power cable first. It's here. It's very obvious that this only can fit one way to the router. So we push that in, and then this antenna cable has specific connector, and it only goes, I want you to put it this way in the back and press it in, all the way in. Now we are connected to antenna, and all we need to do is power this router, and I show how to do that next. The router needs 110, 120 volts. So what we do is, there's a compartment here in the RV on the driver's side where we have a generator and the batteries. I'm gonna open this. You have in a keychain, you have a key that works in here. You just open this compartment. In this compartment there's a generator and the house battery. Next to the house battery I have installed an inverter. You can plug this in and turn the inverter on, and now your setup is complete physically. Next thing you need to do is go to your mobile phone and connect to the Starlink network. Go to your mobile phone Wi-Fi settings and search for Starlink and connect to it. I will give you the user ID and password before the trip. Next, open your Starlink app on your phone. In the Starlink app you can see how it's booting, then searching for the satellites, and finally online. And now your internet connection is ready, and you can connect as many devices to the Wi-Fi as you want. When you are done with using Starlink, you need to put it in the box, back to the box, and before you can do it, you need to put it in a stove mode. So you need to go to the mobile app,
go to the settings and then slide to stove, and that then automatically turns the antenna in the position that it fits into the box.
When you disconnect the Starlink, turn off this inverter first, pull out the cable, pull out the power cord. To make this loop to fit in the box, you need to make sure that you make it the right size so that it fits on the area in the box. Now the antenna cable is nicely coiled in the box. Next thing is to press the button here and disconnect the base from the antenna. Now we can place this antenna in the box, coil the rest of the cable, and put it like here. It doesn't fit other ways. This has to be on the lower part of this plastic, and we want to put this router under here, and it only fits one way. So we'll put that there, this back here, and then we have this plastic piece that I mentioned earlier. We put this plastic piece here, and this has its own place here, fits snugly. We throw this power cable under here. This fits on it now nicely, and we close the box.